Alright, here's the truth bomb. Single authoring tools, they're toast. Captivate, Articulate, etc. Yeah, we're naming names this time. They were fine for 2010, but today it's like showing up to a Formula One race on a penny farthing. Because the world of content creation has exploded, and AI didn't just change the game, it threw out the board. So, from one format to all formats. When we started in this game 20 plus years ago, you'd build one course. One e-learning course would take weeks, maybe months to produce. All that effort for a single piece of e-learning. Now, welcome to the AI era. You upload a document, a video or web page, and AI spins that out into a fully blown e-learning course or a podcast. It can create a video explainer, flashcards, or quizzes, even a chatbot trained on your learning content, all from one input. And that's not efficient, that's transformational. So what is the AI power move? Let's talk OpenELMS AI. This doesn't stick an image next to text and call it e-learning. This produces professional content, graphics, voiceovers, animations, video avatars in any language. And guess what? It is fully editable. You can change text, swap images, tweak voiceovers, with an interface that feels more like Canva than code. So you're not stuck in endless development timelines anymore. You're orchestrating an instant content symphony without needing to be Mozart. One source, infinite reach. The old model was one output, the new model, infinite reach. You build your course once, just once, and suddenly it's on Udemy as a slick video course, raking in the cash. Or you need corporate distribution, push it to Go One, repackaged as a SCORM compliant e-learning course. Should you want to run your own show, you can spin up a storefront on Podio or Coursera. Boom! You're a training entrepreneur. And if you're old school, chalk and talk in the boardroom. You hit one button, PowerPoint slides are exported. Speaker notes, everything. So if you want to create some marketing buzz instantly, create a podcast or video presentation and put it onto YouTube, or distribute micro-learning based on the original course. As you can see, one idea gets turned into 7 different assets in minutes. You're no longer trapped in build mode, you're in scale mode, strategic, nimble, and global. So let's wrap it up. Let's call it what it is. And look, no one wants to spend 3 hours syncing a voiceover to a slide deck every time you rephrase a sentence. Old school authoring tools were built for a slower, linear world. The world we live in today, it moves fast, it demands more, and it requires agility. OpenELMS AI isn't just replacing outdated tools, it's replacing the idea that your learning content should live in just one format. Single authoring is dead. Long live the world of content diversification. Create once, repurpose everywhere. That's not the future, that's now. Many thanks for watching, and now, a message from our slightly slower prehistoric partners.
Our Articulate workflow is all about iterative development. We spend so long building each course. The company gets to iterate on its entire business model multiple times before we hit publish. Not slow, it's just providing an opportunity for an historical snapshot of how we were when the e-learning was first commissioned.